Hi everyone and namaste to all my viewers. Welcome to third episode of my self series. Today we are going to talk about self-concept. The self-concept is an idea of the self constructed from the beliefs one holds about oneself and the responses of others. Self-concept is our personal knowledge of who we are, encompassing all of our thoughts and feelings about ourselves, physically, personally, and socially. Our self concept develops more rapidly during early childhood and adolescence, but self concept continues to form and change over time as we learn more about ourselves. Our self concept is important because it influences how we think, feel, and act in everyday organizational life. The development of a positive self concept at an early age empowers the child to feel competent, try new things, and strive for success. What can parents do to nurture a positive self concept? Firstly, be mindful of the language you use to describe your child. Do not label them with words. Secondly, provide them with opportunities for success. Give your child age appropriate tasks she can complete on her own. Having done so will give her a sense of pride and help build a can do mentality. Thirdly, show your children that you have faith in their goodness. Then, spend time together. A vital part of having a healthy self concept is feeling loved and valued. Support your child's interests, learn what your child is interested in, and support him or her in mastering that skill or accomplishing his desired level of achievement. Set reasonable rules and enforce them with loving kindness. These help child to feel safe and learn how to manage herself. However, enforcing them with a heavy hand when your child steps out of bound can actually erode the self concept. Help your child to manage his or her emotions and work out problems. Learning to manage emotion is key to having the ability to step back from a situation and view it objectively. Give the child opportunity to explore her environment. Ask questions without feeling like nuisance and engage in making believe play. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Stay happy and healthy. God bless you.